So you know what calligraphy supplies to use, how to hold your brush pen, the basic strokes, and how to form words. So what now? Where do you go from here? Let me tell you how you can level up. There are several ways you can improve your calligraphy. 1. Skill set. 2. Tool set. 3. Add-ons. And lastly, a special category that we'll talk about later. So let's start with the first one. You just focus on the calligraphy itself and experiment with the basics. There are two subcategories in here: A. Focusing on the basics, and B. Embellishment. For A, you can learn the capitals, different styles such as bouncy, extended, and flourishes, and even create your own signature font. This will help you improve your basics and truly cement everything you have learned. It's a fun way to spice up your simple calligraphy and try something new that still sticks to your comfort zone. For embellishment, try using several brush pens to create a more colorful look. For instance, you could learn how to blend colors using water-soluble brush pens, or create different effects like glitch or 3D. This will help your calligraphy go from plain looking to eye-catching by giving it more dimension. But maybe you're tired of brush pens. Maybe they are too simple for you and you're up for an experiment. This is where the second category comes in, the tool set. You can switch your brush pens for watercolor brushes, glitter pens, or even pointed nib if you want a real challenge. Each tool has its specialty and gives calligraphy a unique look. If you're interested, you can check out this series right here to see the different tools I've personally tried and my opinions on them. Using different tools is a great way to apply your basics in various forms. You will see that some tools require more pressure to form strokes or other angles to work, all which will help you broaden your horizons and find your footing. For example, you might realize you prefer using watercolors over brush pens and you want to specialize in them. Or maybe you prefer using pencils as it's more forgiving and graphite looks nicer. Try as many options as possible and then pick the ones you love the most. Now, all of this sounds good, but maybe you're looking to add a bit more flavor to your work, something that makes your calligraphy stand out. This is where the third category, add-ons, come into play. Add-ons, as the name suggests, are basically additional skills you can learn alongside your calligraphy. These include skills such as drawing florals and wreaths, painting simple watercolor backgrounds, or maybe even actual drawings itself. Almost every calligrapher you see uses florals or watercolors at one point in their life because it's such a simple way to make your calligraphy pop. Combining calligraphy with these add-ons makes for good house decor or gifts. I am sure that there are even more add-on options out there that you could totally explore. So these three categories are connected to calligraphy directly, but there's an extra category you could learn that's a bit of an anomaly: engraving and faux calligraphy. So engraving is the art of personalizing items by chipping away at the item's surface. Calligraphy engraving follows the same foundation as your typical calligraphy, except the surface and the tool used are wildly different. So instead of paper, you use glass, plastics, and metal, and instead of brush pens, you use a portable drill. It's a unique skill that many full-time calligraphers do, especially for luxury brands. Faux calligraphy is similar. This type of calligraphy imitates the look of brush pens without using the tool itself. Like engraving, it's often done on surfaces outside of paper and used for surfaces where using a brush pen would be impossible, such as tote bags and glass windows. This is another skill you'll see full-time calligraphers do for local cafes and different stores. So these are all my personal ideas and experiences as a calligrapher. Every new skill takes time to learn, but calligraphy doesn't always have to be simple. It can be as extravagant and colorful as you like. I hope this video helped anyone who's unsure where to head after learning basic calligraphy. Is there anything you would like to learn from me? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.